How to make a Bitmoji on Snapchat. First, click the human icon here. Tap Create My Avatar. Now here you need to select your gender, of course, woman. And then next is creating three options here. So keep your face centered and then click Continue. Or you can just skip this part, but it's better to do this one. Okay, now edit avatar or select outfit. It's up to you. Now we can edit avatar since you wanted to make your avatar looks different or according to what you want. So first, let's do the skin tone. Select what's the best or what's the good skin tone for you. For your hair color, just tap any hair color you like. So you can choose any here. Now when it comes to hair treatment, you can also tap any here. Eye shape, you can select what's best for you or what suits you for your nose. You can tap any shape here. And also same for your cheek lines and also for your ears and mouth and everything. So always choose what you prefer. Now let's go to glasses. Now you can choose the type of glasses you want, or you can also skip this one if you don't want your avatar to wear glasses. It's up to you. Now this time you just have to select or pick what you like. Now next we will go with your tops, let's just say your outfit. Now you can just select here your fashion. Okay, you can go for crop top or sweater. And then for the pants, you can select the color and the style of the pants or bottoms that you wanted to wear for your avatar. For the colors, you can also select. It changes if you want. You just have to tap this side here to change colors. And then after that, go to the dresses if you want to change your outfit from this to dresses. Also for the footwear, you can select if you want your avatar to wear sneakers, rubber shoes, sandals, or slippers. Everything is up to you, and you can change the colors. You just have to tap again this side. You can change blue, black, or everything. Now for the outerwear, you can just select any type of clothes here, or you can skip to this part. Okay, so once you are okay with your avatar, tap save. So this is what your avatar looks like, and it's very nice. Now, if you want to edit your Bitmoji, just go to edit Bitmoji and then tap this one here. You can freely edit your hairstyle again, your eyes, your nose, your wearings. Everything can be changed here. Now that's how easy it is to make a Bitmoji on Snapchat. Thank you for watching.